Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preventing interruptions. Plug in or ensure battery is above 20% and connect to Wi-Fi so sync completes if needed. Once done, unlock the phone, then open settings and scroll directly to accounts or users and accounts. You do this first because removing a Google account can trigger device protection prompts. Make sure you remember the Google email address on the account. If you don't, note it now so you can verify identity when prompted later. Next, tap Accounts to reveal every account type on the device. This keeps you from removing the wrong profile. Choose the specific Google account you want to remove because Oneplus lists each Google entry separately. Once selected, open the account options and review sync to confirm recent backups or data you may lose. If you see important unsynced items, pause and perform a manual sync now. These checks reduce chance of accidental data loss when you proceed to remove the account. Tap Remove Account and confirm with your device PIN or password. This action deletes the Google profile and associated sync data from the phone. After removal, restart the device to clear cached credentials. If factory reset protection or a re-sign in prompt appears, sign back into the same Google account to unlock. That's why verification is essential. If removal fails, update Oxygen OS, reboot into safe mode to retry, or contact Oneplus support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.